Hello everyone, it's Leanne from Cherry Lane. We have some new Graphic 45 goodies to share with you that some of you have been anxiously waiting for. So I thought I'd do a little video just to show you. So there are, I'm going to show you some dies and some stamps, and also there's some new album pieces, and I'm going to show you the Farmhouse collection. So I'll try not to take too long. So these are the new dies. There's 3 new sets. So okay, let's see. This first one, try not to get a glare on there, is called, what's it called? Tag, Pocket, and Butterfly dies. There are 10 dies in there, so makes a tag and then a pocket that the tag will fit into, and also all of the butterfly parts. Lots of butterfly parts. And then there is this one. This one's called Policy and Decorative dies. So there's also 10 pieces in there. So this one makes the policy envelope. See, it cuts and it scores and it does I can't see through my finger, the little holes for everything. Then also like the labels and the lacy bits, and then like that's for the part where your string wraps around. Corners. This looks like it is very similar to the one on the spine of their books. This fancy frame, another fancy corner. Another fancy label, another fancy corner, and another, I'm sure there's a name for it. It's a doohickey. Yep. Then there is this one. This one's called Folder and Sentiment dies. Oh, there's 15 on this one. Okay, so this one has the die. A big frame around there is for the folder, so it cuts and it scores. And then there's some hearts and some frilly bits, and then a bunch of sentiments. So I couldn't read backwards, so I wrote them all down. These are the ones that you get. Congrats, friend, hello, and thanks. So congrats, friend, hello, thanks. And then down here we have happy birthday, together, celebrate, and love, and then some little hearts and swirly bits. So we did have a bunch of requests for these already, so I think there's maybe only just a couple of each left. So if you would like these, we do suggest calling first. We do, of course, we'll take an email, but sometimes the phone rings and people come in and I can't get to the email. So phoning is best. Then there are some new sentiment stamps. So we haven't seen stamps from Graphic 45 in a while, and these ones are pretty nice. So there's the calendar set. So you get all of the months of the year and then all the days of the week, and then the shortened version of the months, and also numbers and first, second, third, fourth, etc. So those are the calendar ones. And then there's the sentiment stamps. So there's nice sentiments on here. How many? 38 pieces it says. Oh, and a bunch of little hearts and squiggly bits. So sort of sentiments for everything. Just because, congratulations, happy birthday, hello friend, and it's a nice kind of a brush font. Well, same as those, brush font. Okay. Then I'm going to show you some of their, they call them staples, because they're staples for crafting, not because they're really staples. Okay, so there's, I should have had a glass of water first. Okay, so there's this matchbook box. Yeah, so it's the black matchbook box, so it comes like that, slides open. So same as this one, but in black. And then there's a new ATC tag and pocket album, so that's the ivory version of it, all decorated up. So there's your spine. It's I don't know, 3x5 or something. So it's hard to tell what's all in there when it's not decorated, but there you go. It's got comes with tags, all kinds of little pockets and flips and stuff. So same version. I'm one-handed right now. Oh, stuff's falling out. Okay, so same thing, but black. And I'm one-handed. So yeah, that is the black version of that. There. And then there is, what is this called? It is called a travel journal with inserts, I think. So black version. So they had the craft one last year. And now it's the same thing, but in black. So depending on what you're doing. Comes with a bunch of, I think they're called signatures, maybe. So different finishes on the papers. I can't remember exactly what, but so pockets and things. So pockets and stuff in there. I'm one-handed, sorry. Yep, and comes with the elastic to get it all. I'm off screen. There we go. So that was the craft version. There's an idea for you with different papers. So yeah, that's kind of what you can do with a travel journal. So, and then I'm going to show you Farmhouse. So hang on one sec. I'm going to pause you. Okay, I'm back. Okay, just had to lay all these papers out for you. So this is Farmhouse. So new Graphic 45 Farmhouse. Here is the cover sheet. So nice. It's nice neutral color, mostly neutrals, but it's got a bit of red and orange and yellow in there. So nice. That's your cover sheet. I'm just going to quickly show you all the papers. That's the one that you can cut apart. So I like it. I like it a lot. Fresh eggs. Yep. Sweet. And yep. You don't really need my commentary. Okay. There we go. So this is front and back of all of the papers. So there are 8 papers in the collection, 2 sides each. So that gives us 16 different prints. I really like this one. And the chicken wire on the back. Mm-hmm. It's nice. And this one, oh, you might want to see that whole one. You can cut that one all up too. I quite like it. It'll be good for mini books and albums and things. Pages, yeah. I'm trying to figure out which photos do I have to go with this. I'm sure I do. You know, I have a lot that aren't printed. Okay, we're gonna get that out of the way. Okay, and then there is, let's see. So then there is the collection pack. So the collection pack, you get all 8 of the papers that I just showed you, and you get 2 6x12 sticker sheets. So it's just it's an easy grab and go of the whole collection, pretty much. Okay, well, this is easier. Okay, I was going to show you the sticker sheet separately, but this, you can see it all here. So in the sticker sheet that is separate, you get 2 6x12 stickers. So this is showing you both of them back here. Sorry about the glare on there. If I move that, is that better? Maybe. The country life, yeah. It's a good collection. Okay, so that's the collection pack. And then there's the patterns and solids. So these ones are not available in open stock. They're only available in the pad, and these are complementary to the, you know, the main prints, but none of them are exactly the same. So some of them might be the same print in a different color, so they all work really nicely together, and some are just available in here. So next, what do I have? I have more. Hang on. See, there's more. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the sticker sheet because I just showed you that. There's also the 8x8 pad, so that's just a scaled down version of everything I've already shown you, except for the patterns and solids. So that one, what do you get in there? You get 3 sheets of all 8x8 papers, so there you go. Then there is chipboard. Okay, so there's chipboard. I'm just going to show you close-ups. There we go. I love the chipboard. This is really nice. This would be good for cards too. I forgot about cards. I think scrapbooking first and albums. Okay, and then there's, okay, so this is the die cut assortment, assorted die cut pieces. So these are, you know, new this year, or it's just in the fall maybe for Graphic 45 is doing the little ephemera pack. So that's all the pieces that you would get in there. So quite a bit. It's nice. These have been popular. And then there is the journaling and ephemera cards. So a whole bunch of 4x6, whole bunch of 4x3x4. 4x6 and 3x4 cards. So I don't believe that any of these are on the cut apart sheets. So they'll be different. So, yep, that is the new dies and the new tags, the new staples. Oh, I like those milk caps. Okay. Farmhouse. So if you would like any of these things, you can call us and have them pulled and set aside for you. And you can pay over the phone if you like. We understand if you're not coming out, so we will hold paid items pretty much forever. We are also offering curbside pickup, and we can ship your orders too. So yeah, I think that's it for now. We hope everyone is doing well, staying healthy, and we hope to see you soon. So thanks for watching. Bye.